Okay, guys, so finally my kayak started sinking. I had a video, but we had to turn it off because I had to abandon my go back. It has a hole in the bottom. I've had that kayak for 25, 30 years, so it made it down here, but it didn't make the trip. All right. So this is Shirley's Lake. Shirley's Lake. We'll call it Shirley's Lake. Yeah. Me and Shirley and my cousin Ann are out here kayaking today. And of course mine had a hole in it it was a thin spot. So I have to get another one. It does, it looks pretty. Yeah, Max is enjoying it. He's still got an ear infection. I got medicine to put in it. We have the internet, but I don't know if I told you guys this. I made several videos today, but all of them conked out on me, or my boat started sinking, so I had to cut my video off. So I don't know what I've told you, but we do have the internet, but not my new phone. I'm working on getting that. Hopefully this will upload. I'm not going to make the video too long because I don't know if it'll load or not. They might like it. His mom. All the water lilies. So I'm in, Ann took a break, and I'm in Shirley's other kayak. She had 2 kayaks. She said the wildlife here, if the tree falls in the water, it has to stay because it's sanctuary for the birds, the turtles, the fish, frogs. Looks like we're getting into some shallow water here. A friend of ours fixed that house up and sold it. Beautiful water lilies blooming. It's really pretty. Well, we're gonna head in, guys. So there's Shirley, waved everybody. Yeah, oh, we're laying down. Oh, you're gonna take a nap? We got up awful early this morning. I don't know, I just woke up at about 3 o'clock and didn't go back to sleep. Alright guys, it's starting to rain. We're getting in just in time. I'm going to finish my video off and say have a great day, have a great week. We'll have another video soon. Much love to y'all. Thanks for watching. More videos to come.